Here's how to add money to Revolut from your bank account. So to deposit money onto your Revolut account from a different bank that you're using, all you need to do is first go and open up the Revolut app and then click add money. Then once you do that, you will see something like this. From here, just choose how much you want to deposit, and the minimum I think is 10 euros. Now at the top, for me it's set to Apple Pay right now. Now for me, I have connected my bank account to Apple Pay. If you haven't, then you can just click change, and whatever it says for you, you can then change it to one of the options that allows you to deposit from your bank. For example, where I'm from, you have Ideal, which is very easy. So then I could select Ideal and then pick my bank, but again, I've already connected it to Apple Pay. So then after selecting your payment method and how much you want to deposit, simply click on pay in the bottom. And you can see right here, these are the options that were there for me. So I could do easy bank transfer, regular bank transfer, Apple Pay, Ideal, debit or credit card, or salary. Now 3 out of 4 options here are bank accounts, and then for me Apple Pay is bank account as well. So you can pick any of the 4 at the top to deposit money from your bank account. So then just go and follow these steps, and then the money will be deposited into your Revolut bank account. So that's all you need to do to add money to Revolut from your bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.